Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told in a certain park, the layout of 6 bicycle paths is shown in the figure above. The lengths of PQ, QT, QS, and SR are 3 miles, 4 miles, 8 miles, and 10 miles respectively. We're told paths PR and ST intersect at point Q, and angle TPQ is congruent to angle QRS. So we have these two triangles, and they have one pair of angles that are equal to each other. And we have these angles right here that are also equal to each other because they're vertical angles. So when you have two triangles with two pairs of angles that are equal, that means the triangles are similar. So starting with the angle with one hash, right, because we have to write the triangles in an order such that the corresponding angles are matching. So we have triangle is congruent to another triangle. So we start with this angle, P is equal to R, so we start with that. Then Q is the same angle for both triangles, so we go to Q, and then we finish with the last one, T and S. So this means P is equal to R, Q is equal to Q, and T is equal to S for these two triangles. Now, we look at corresponding sides, right? We're trying to find the value of PT, so PT over its corresponding side. So we're looking for the other side that has one hash mark on one of its angles and the other angle isn't marked, which means SR is the other corresponding angle, or the other corresponding side. The other way you could say it is, okay, PT is the first and third letter, and SR is the first and third letter in this triangle. And this ratio is going to be equal to the ratio of any other pair of corresponding sides. So we could use the second letter and the third letter. So we're going to have QT over QS. And if we do this, we have PT is M, which is what we're looking for. SR is 10, QT is 4, and QS is 8. Right? We could have also done PQ over QR, but we don't know QR, so that's not a helpful pair of angles. We use QT over QS. Now we can cross multiply to solve for M. We have M times 8 is 8M is equal to 4 times 10, which is 40. Dividing both sides by 8, we have just M is equal to 40 divided by 8, which is 5. So the question asks us, what is the value of M? 5 is our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.